Do you like my sweater?
It's awesome.
It's very Norwegian. He's gonna bring some new adventures. Score!
We're still going up.
Oh, you two crack me up. So we're explaining to everybody what we've been doing. So the first thing that we're going to tell them is that we went to a coffee shop called Woods Coffee.
Yeah.
All right, good first stop, right?
Yeah.
By the way, those are mountains. We got to make breakfast for the first time, like for ourselves.
Thank goodness, because hotel breakfasts are not good. When they're free, they're just kind of like, meh. I'm kind of picky about eggs. They can't be runny.
Waking up this morning to some egg sandwiches. We actually have a nice little cooking setup here. I'm pretty impressed. And then she decided that she wanted to go for a run. And this one wants to go for a run.
Yeah, I would like to continue, even though I get a cramp in like 3 and 40 seconds.
3 and 40 seconds. They gave you the old-timey time.
3 minutes and 42 seconds.
We met the craziest dog I've ever seen in my life.
Luckily, we're dog people.
You learned something else.
And then when this one goes to work, she works nights. So when I wake up, I usually sit on my laptop and edit videos and do stuff like that. And I realized that my hair was getting extremely long in this direction.
It was long before we left for Washington.
So then I decided that I needed a haircut.
Bad. Decided just then.
First, I'm going to get my hair cut because this is unacceptable. So I had to pick one of like 8 barbershops that they have here in Cedro.
Like a mile.
We also found out that it's pronounced Cedro, not Cedro.
Yes, Cedro Woolley.
We butchered names all the way across the country. Ooh! My man Mike from State Street Barber put a fade on it. Let's go see what these clowns are up to.
Look at that outfit.
He's squealing! Then we drove to Whidbey. What is she eating? Then we drove to Whidbey Island and took pictures there.
Yeah.
During sunset.
It's beautiful.
It was awesome. Something right here. My new fresh hairdo. I'm taking a picture of that bridge with that water, those trees, and this does not suck.
Please do not. Please do not.
Please do not what?
Look at that.
I'm on the other side. There's also a naval base there.
Yes, it's loud.
How loud is it?
Whoa, loud.
It's cool. It's cool. We're just hanging out here, just taking some photos and There's military aircraft flying over our heads. It's pretty badass, right? Let's see if we could catch one here. Did you hear that? It's one of the most terrifying walks I've ever done. We stopped at a random place on the side of the road called
Shrimp Shack.
Shrimp Shack. We just decided to pull over to the side of the road and try a place called the Shrimp Shack. We have no idea what we're getting ourselves into. It's part of the fun, right? Shrimp Shack, by the way, is an alliteration for anybody that's keeping score. Delicious. Some of the best clam chowder I've ever had. It's so good. Then we went to a brewery
Shocking.
called Farm Strong.
It was pretty awesome.
So they had a dog there, and her name was
Jelly cream cheese or something?
Sally Cream Cheese.
Sally cream cheese.
Sally Cream Cheese. And she just stares at people. She is the staring contest champion. That pretty much wraps up our first week here so far. I decided to get a little something to go, and I found out that they had a very small batch, 5 gallon to be exact, triple IPA that you were able to get to go in a mason jar. Ladies and gentlemen, Farm Strong's triple IPA. I mean, this is what it's about right here. This also looks like something that came out of somebody's Foley.
Ew!
How long have you been here?